climbed up 10 minutes and look where I am already. Look at this place. Look at this place. Oh my god. I am completely surrounded by nature, by rocks, by trees. I'm so happy I'm here. Are you as happy as me? I really hope today you are as happy as me, because it means it's a wonderful day. And look at this tiny hole. It just makes you wanna go inside with the camera. I wish I had a little drone, like a super tiny little did I say tiny? Tiny little drone with me, as tiny as a mosquito. No, I hate mosquitoes actually. Last night a mosquito bit me here on the forehead. It still hurts. I hate mosquitoes so much. I think I should stop talking right now. What do you think? I'd better keep on climbing and see what's next. It's a long way to the top if you wanna rock and roll. Right. Will I make it? Will I make it? I don't know. I'm super happy already. I mean, I'm pretty high. I'm higher than everyone else here. I mean, I can see some people lying on the beach. They just waved at me. They probably think I'm crazy. And maybe I am, yeah. I think I'm going to wear this red jacket that Gabriele, my friend, very kindly gave me this morning. This is a tip for all you video makers watching this video. Red is one of the best colors when you want to stand out. Imagine yourself climbing up there, making so much effort, waking up early, coming here in the morning, and then realize you are wearing a t-shirt which is the same color of rocks or the same color of these leaves, for example. So always bring something red with you. It really saves your life. I'll try and climb up there. I don't know if I'll succeed, but hey, the beauty is in the journey, not in the goal. Guys, this is insane. It's pretty high here. Hello. People waving at me. They might think I need help. I probably need. It's just I don't know it yet. Vertigo! This is getting really hard now. Oh my god. Now I'm in a sort of impasse, because I don't know if I should go this way or this way. I'm probably gonna try this one because it looks easier, but the easiest way is not always the best, we know that. I think it's over. There is no way to get out of here. I mean, the only way to continue this journey is to climb down again. Oh, that's a bad feeling. I don't like to feel defeated. You know what? Look at that. Am I that crazy to try and climb that one? Should I try? What do you think? I guess you know the answer. Okay guys, this is the left side of the big rock I just showed you. I'm trying to circumnavigate it. So far I couldn't find any potential spot to climb to the very top. I have just fell off inside this hole. I've just hurt my left hand and my right hand a little bit. I've got some blood here, I don't know if you can see it. My elbow as well. I'm no expert at all. I'm just a normal guy who likes to climb rocks, basically. There is no way to climb this rock. I tried every possible way. I think this is it. It was worth it anyway, because look what I see from here. Believe it or not, that's France, baby. That's coarse. always look on the bright side, so I can see France from here. It's beautiful. I am going to try one last side, the right side, the one that's facing the sun. If that won't work, I guess it's over for today, and I'll find a different spot on where to stand and shoot a very sweet, sweet drone shot. Let's see if nature is kind with me. You know what? It was beautiful anyway. I managed to get here on the very last rocks facing the sea. An apple, the sun, rocks, the sea. Do I need anything else? Just like that. Like this, not that, this. I'm here. I'm on the one but last highest point. This rock behind me, just few meters. I missed the very top, just like this. That's very upsetting. No, I don't care. It's beautiful here. And you know what? This is a very good shelf to position my drone and use it as a launch base. And that rock, although it's the highest one, wouldn't be as good as this to launch the drone. So, yes! I'm happy. Look what I've got around myself. Hello, shadow. All alone with my shadow. Okay guys, time for a good drone shot. I'm looking forward to it. Are you ready to fly? Let's do it. Let's see what this beast can do in Sardinia.